Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what many consider the best copper sleeve for men, the copper compression arm sleeve. This sleeve is designed to provide targeted support for your forearm, biceps, triceps, and elbows, making it an excellent choice for anyone dealing with tennis elbow, arthritis, tendonitis, bursitis, or recovering from surgery. What sets this sleeve apart is its copper-infused fabric. Made from 85% copper nylon and 15% spandex, the sleeve is lightweight yet durable, offering a comfortable fit without restricting your range of motion. The copper infusion is permanent, meaning it won't wash out and continues to wick sweat away, keeping your arm dry and cool throughout the day. This also makes it ideal for wearing under clothing, whether you're at work, exercising, or just going about your daily activities. The design of the copper compression arm sleeve focuses on healing compression and stability. It acts as a warmer for the muscles and tendons, helping to prevent strain and fatigue. Unlike bulky braces, this sleeve is thin and flexible, allowing for natural movement while still providing professional-grade support. One of the best features is its versatility. The sleeve fits both the right and left arm, and it's available in 5 different sizes, from small to XX large, to ensure a snug yet comfortable fit. For the best results, it's recommended to measure around your arm about 5 inches above the elbow and choose a size accordingly. The compression works best when the fit is snug but not painful or restrictive. Whether you're an athlete playing basketball, golf, volleyball, or just someone who spends long hours typing or doing physical work, this sleeve offers reliable support. It's also great for those undergoing physical therapy or post-surgery rehabilitation. The 4-way stretch construction and interior grip zones ensure the sleeve stays in place without slipping down your arm. Care is simple. Just hand wash with a gentle detergent and air dry. This helps maintain the material's elasticity and the copper infusion for long-lasting performance. To sum it up, the copper compression arm sleeve combines the benefits of copper-infused technology with a design that balances compression, comfort, and durability. It's a solid choice for men seeking effective arm support that can keep up with an active lifestyle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.